Before we continue, please like, subscribe, and comment God restores if you believe redemption is real. Number 5. Even while ministering, Lecrae battled a secret addiction. He was rapping for Jesus, but behind closed doors he was fighting a hidden struggle with porn. As Matthew 23:27 reminds us, we might appear righteous on the outside, but inside we can be full of hypocrisy. The lesson? Ministry success doesn't guarantee inner freedom. Every one of us needs deep, authentic healing. Number 4. His addiction wasn't just a bad habit. It was rooted in childhood trauma and identity struggles. Porn became his escape from pain he'd never addressed. Psalm 147:3 promises, He heals the brokenhearted and binds up their wounds. To fight the fruit of addiction, you have to address the root of trauma. Number 3. Lecrae often felt like a fraud standing on stage. He knew he was leading others, but inside, he was ashamed of what he couldn't conquer. Romans 7:15 speaks to this struggle. I do not understand what I do what I hate. Sin thrives in secrecy, but healing comes in the light of truth. Number 2. Shame nearly drove Lecrae away from his faith. He believed he didn't belong in church anymore because of his mistakes, but Romans 8:1 declares, there is now no condemnation for those in Christ Jesus. God's grace reaches deeper than our darkest moments. And number 1, true freedom came when Lecrae discovered his identity in Christ, not in his performance. It wasn't about trying to earn God's love, but accepting that he was already chosen. As 2 Corinthians 5:17 promises, if anyone is in Christ, he is a new creation. You don't have to perform to be loved. You are already accepted. Which part of Lecrae's journey spoke to you most? Let us know in the comments. Remember, freedom is possible, not just for Lecrae, but for you. Like, subscribe, and follow Quit Porn PH for more stories of truth, grace, and healing.